Safras.
My Lords, I'm a big fan of Lord Alton and agree with the broad consensus across your Lordship's House that we must return to the 0.7% commitment as soon as we can, but I'm also happy to become the second speaker to sympathise with the government's difficult decision. When thinking about our development footprint, there is one entity that sometimes doesn't get the love it deserves. This is CDC, our development finance institution, which is flying our flag across the world. Their portfolio supports 875,000 jobs across Africa and South Asia. Their investee companies pay over $3 billion of tax to national governments, and they invest where nobody else wants to. While it is very sensible for CDC to operate independently of government, it is of course 100% owned by FCDO and will always be perceived as a component of the One HMG overseas strategy outlined in the integrated review. We need to take more ownership and credit of CDC's efforts globally, whether pioneering 3D printing of entire schools in Malawi or guaranteeing supply of syringes in Ghana. This is not just CDC at work, it is the UK at work. We are very lucky that CDC has extremely capable leadership. They have reshaped the investment strategy over the years and delivered an impressive 7.4% annual portfolio return since 2013. But there's always more to do. If we are to become the global science and technology superpower we aim to be, CDC will need to be encouraged to work directly with the most innovative businesses in emerging markets, even if they are early stage. To do this, we need to support CDC in increasing its appetite for risk-taking. This is in line with item 1.1 in the strategic framework, which says we will accept more risk in our public investment, supporting the most creative, innovative, and radical ideas for future development. CDC could also be encouraged to partner more with innovative businesses here in the UK to help them land in global markets. My Lords, I would be most grateful if my noble friend the Minister could share what the future of CDC might look like in light of the review and if he agrees with my enthusiasm for the role CDC can play in its implementation.
I call the next speaker, Vice